Welcome to the series circuit step-by-step breakdown. In this video, you will learn how to calculate total resistance, total current, voltage drops, individual power, and total power within a series circuit. To get started, we need to figure out what we need to do first. In the upper left and right-hand corners, we have our formulas we will be using, the EIR formula and the PIE formula. Always start by writing down what you already know. We already know our resistor values in the ohms. So 1 through 5, you are going to go and write down each resistance value in the box. We also know our total voltage. We're going to write that down as well. Remember Kirchhoff's voltage law, voltage applied equals voltage total dropped. Next, we're able to solve for our total resistance. So take each resistor value and add them together for your total resistance. In this case, our total is going to be 20. Using our formula in the upper left-hand corner, our EIR, we now have our resistance and our voltage total. We can now solve for current. So we're going to take our E divided by R, or our voltage divided by resistance, to come up with I, or current, as 3. Now that we know our total current, in a series circuit, the current remains the same or constant, so we are able to fill out the rest of the boxes for our current. Now that we have our total resistance and our current boxes 1 through 5 filled out, we can now find out our voltage drop across each resistor. Using our formula, take your R times I to equal your E for voltage. Always verify your individual voltage drops are correct. You can take each individual voltage drop and add them together to get your total for 60. With P, or power, being our last box to fill out, we will now use the formula in the upper right-hand corner, or PIE. Take your E, or voltage, times I, current, to equal your P for power. With our power box 1 through 5 filled out, we can add all of those together to find out our total power. Remember, you can also double check your work in the total boxes down below using the 2 formulas up above. And that is the end of a series circuit breakdown step by step.